Alston Construction completed RNT9, the Amazon ARSC, in Fife, Washington in September of 2021. There were project delays totaling 59 days, with 44 days being weather-related and 15 days being supply issues. Grading and major concrete activities were completed during the start of 2021 when the Seattle area was hit with record rainfall of more than 19 inches. With all of these challenges, Alston Construction did not postpone any early access dates for the launch of the facility, the only ARSC in the nation to not delay launch in 2021. One of the factors that led Alston to be able to launch the facility on time was the use of technology. The first technology Alston Construction utilized on the RNT9 project is Revit and Navisworks, BIM. This process begins with the acquisition of all the various Revit models from all the design team and the trades. For example, civil, structural, MPE, to name a few. The Alston VDC teams begins with site modeling, utilizing the civil design with Navisworks. It's important to note that the various BIM models follow the project schedule. That way, priority of the modeling matches the needs of the execution team in the field. The next step is putting together the building model, with schedule in mind, and then holding weekly coordination meetings to ensure that all clashes are detected and costly field rework is avoided. Sometimes there may be as many as 20 coordination meetings, depending upon the complexity of the project. Once the model is completely vetted, it is distributed to the team for one final review, and then it is signed off as approved for construction. For the Amazon RNT9 project, the benefit to utilizing modeling is it helped agency having jurisdiction, or AHJs, to visualize the project in 3D, which helped to expedite permits and approvals. As we transition into the construction process of RNT9, we utilize the same steps as mentioned previously to further coordinate things such as the mezzanine and chute openings, MHE, and support utilities. For example, power, low voltage, compressed air, and data, as well as striping. As construction continues, our VDC team makes periodic site visits to document the construction progress, utilizing 3D scans so that the BIM models can be updated with as-built conditions to further ensure there aren't any clashes. On RNT9, the Amazon ARSC in Fife, Washington, this technology was used to verify over 300 chute locations, and work was able to continue until the third-party Amazon vendor, KSI, was able to get to the site the following week. This was a critical component to keeping the project on track. Another example of this technology was the verification of the SOG and mezzanine concrete FL numbers and confirming that all concrete embeds were placed properly. Aerial survey was utilized by Alston Construction on the RNT9 project in many ways. The platform was Propeller, a web-based program that anyone on the team can be given access to. This video is demonstrating some of the ways that this technology can be used and benefit the project. Some of the ways are: scan existing site to establish grades and develop a topography map. This project had a preload component to the project. This meant that material was imported and placed on the site to cause forced settlement of the on-site soils. Due to the critical nature of the settlement, to the schedule, real-time scans could be done to determine when the settlement tolerances had been met, and the project could continue forward. Other ways that it is used to track: project progress, such as to cut or fill quantities. Verify materials, such as import or export, or time and material. And to ensure accuracy, or work put in place. The final technology profiled at the RNT9 project is HoloBuilder, using 360-degree photos to capture actual or final project photos of the project that can be accessed anywhere. The viewer can literally take a tour or track progress through every stage of the project. This can be a very helpful tool when problem solving or trying to describe a field situation, because a picture is worth 1,000 words.